All right, so we've gone all over these lands. We've gone in the air. We've soared around. Where else can we find leaves? Where could leaves be? Maybe under the sea? Let's go check to see if Lee's is under the sea. Maybe Ariel has seen her. Let's go find out.
Like the laser thing. It's
Woo! Stand by, right? 15 minutes. You got a good day, Mark.
Không đấy con, không đấy con.
Your mouth's still okay after you.
Yeah.
You said. Down, push up, push up.
Don't push down too far, Mark.
I was born a small My story is not near as interesting as Ariel's. You know Ariel, the mermaid? What a voice. What a beautiful voice. He will see this trick Ariel's voice will make him always
Under the sea, here we go. Under the sea. Did you find Nemo yet? There's Ariel.
I got to six book. You want to be the ones? I get 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be.
It's life under the sea is better than anything they got there. Now listen to me. You don't have to get out and actually want to work me long. We got so much else. Since I was sleeping, got to hear under the sea. Please, and it's on the shop. The task, the job, the top. The look is the look also. You can play the new songs. The rock, rocking out the mic. Between the swing and the slide. You know where it's at. I know that door. Under the sea, under the sea, darling, it's written down where it's written, Genie from me. It's all day, we're all day, comes in the sun, let's live it. While we can put our beauty under me. Now we all do she's happy, it's all the ways to do.
Poor child. He told her that Ursula could help her and her prince be together. Oh, parents. So a sheriff on leaves and shoes.
Yes, I do.
Just the blues of the Caspian Sea. Brings us lost majestic, next laryngitis, love will change you me. I lived in the past, I've been nasty. They were keeping away, calling below witch. But you'll find nowadays, I've ended all my ways. Repentance in the night and made a switch. Yes, unfortunate souls.
Outside, they need to shit. Going on this. Hey, I see her sitting there across me. She don't got a lot to say, but something about her. And you know why.
Otherwise, just the way nuts. I don't come to me. But anyway, that's the story of God Ultimate.
You had a wonderful time. Now, please step out to your neck.
I didn't see leaves in there.
So good to see you.
Couldn't find leaves.
Step out to your neck.
There you go.